Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to the year 2021. Did we think that we would make it? We made it. And we're just heading away from the campsite now. It was definitely a very relaxed evening. How was your New Year's, Janine?
Good. Yeah.
We're gonna head now to Omaru. Omaru. We're going to Omaru. We're trying to beat the rain, so it's meant to absolutely chuck it down with rain. We're trying to just enjoy what we can before that starts. So we're off on the road. Well, actually, we're just leaving now. Look, it's the campsite. Thanks for the one night wonder camping experience.
State Highway 1 for 26 kilometers.
That was my first camping for 2020, and now I have another camping experience for 2021. First and last. Okay, I have to go help with the gate. I'll check in later. Casual stop by the ocean. Beautiful country. And there's shags over there. These cool birds. They're called shags. There we go, Vancouver. This is Janine's favorite place, she says, just to come here on her days off from the farm. And we're lucked out. We found some sun. How awesome is that?
Oh, that's there was whiskey on that.
All right, guys, now we're in the town of Omaru, and we are being transported to the 1800s. And this is a historic old town, and that's a very rare thing to have in New Zealand, to still have it restored and looking like how it used to probably look hundreds of years ago. But check this out. This is the first time I've ever been here. I've never been to Omaru, and Janine's been here and she loves it. So we're having fun exploring something new. We got the Stables Craft shop, and there's a bit of a period dress demonstration there. Very nice. They must have had some nice New Year's celebrations. Hi guys, welcome to Waimati District. We're in the area of Waimati. I've never been here and we're just doing a very quick walk and you can smell the crisp pine cone air. Smell the pine cone trees. There's a little stream there and then a big river that separates South Canterbury from Waimati District. So we're just doing a little bit of a walk. We're just very grateful that it's sunny here and a little bit more inland towards the mountains apparently is very rainy and cloudy. So we're just gonna stick around this area today and get up to a little fun, shall we? Wow, this place is really nice. I wonder why that they made it for sale. So we've come for lunch at a cafe and, oh thanks, Janine's gonna hold it for me. And this is the fanciest little cafe in the middle of Waimati. And look at this, is like the nicest Eggs Benedict I've ever had. And for the first time ever, we're starting off 2021 with a subscriber coming to say hi and I took a photo with him. I'll insert the picture now. That was just really nice to be recognized. He's like, are you a YouTuber? I think I know you. I just love that. That's the first time that's happened and I think that's awesome. So if you ever see me out and about, if you're in New Zealand, if you watch from here, come up, say hi to me, and I'd love to meet you. But now we're gonna enjoy our lunch and I'll catch up with you guys later. If you guys are ever in Waimati, oops. If you're ever in Waimati, you have to stop at the Nosh Roadside Gourmet and you better hurry and quick because I heard a rumor, right? Yep. That they're selling. I don't know what, it's just like the hidden gem. You know, forget about the fact that I met a subscriber, but it's just a really great quality food, very gourmet, fancy style, like so unexpected for the middle of rural farmland. But you gotta come check out Nosh if you're in Waimati. Where are we, Janine?
Where are we? We are at the back of the
Farm.
barn. Yeah.
At the dairy farm, where you work.
Where I work.
Look at these cows. I'm just getting the full tour from Janine on where she works, and this is her life, guys. Lady from the Netherlands working on a dairy farm in the South Island. Hard work right there, hard work. Look at all these cows.
Yeah.
Hello. This one's staring at me, 334.
Yeah.
Farm girl life, switching gumboots to regular shoes. These are huge. So I just showed you all that footage of the dairy farm and now we're actually about to try milk that Janine has milked from those exact cows. Right?
Yeah,
how fresh is this milk?
This is really fresh. I just milked this morning.
Really?
Yeah.
So look, it's really thick. It's just come straight from the udder, right?
Yeah, and straight out of fat. So
Okay.
before the tanker is getting it.
Oh my god. Okay, it's my first time trying milk like this. I'm not a huge milk drinker, but she insisted that I try this. So as a guest, I must oblige. It has no smell. Oh my gosh. That is nice.
Yeah, you can't get it more fresh.
That is so smooth. I've never had milk that smooth.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I was really nervous to try it. Cheers to 2021 and some really fresh ass milk. We're just relaxing now back at the house and we're having nachos, which seems to be our tradition when we get together. We'll make nachos. Yeah. The last time we made nachos.
Yeah, in New Plymouth and now again.
Yeah, New Plymouth road trip. If you haven't seen those vlogs, I'll link them below. But we're gonna enjoy the rest of the evening in. It's a bit of a rainy day, so we're gonna have a nice quiet evening in. Anything else you wanna?
No, I would say we're getting some drinks and I would get the fireplace starting and I would say enjoy.
Yeah, enjoy. Look at the fireplace, guys. This is legit country living. Janine went to go from her firewood shed to get that firewood right there. And this is the wood burning fireplace. We're in an old country style home. Who would have thought that this city girl was gonna be feeling nice in the country? Hashtag farm life. For the video. Careful. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, that is like corn. It's actually sweet corn. Can't forget chunky salsa. Medium. Oh yeah, and Jägermeister, Steinlager.